Okay, back to Windows versions. So those asking Windows, do they have Windows version of Virtual DJ 8.5? So that's what we are coming to work about now. So coming to install Virtual DJ 2025. When you open like this, just install this setup. Make sure you have WinRAR on your PC. Yes. Make sure you have WinRAR on your PC. So you wait till the installation pop up. Then you follow the steps. Now we click yes. We go to next install. Now finish. Just come here. You will see this folder R2R. Just hit this folder, go to extract, and then extract to desktop. Watch it carefully. Extract to desktop like this. Okay, now the R2 is here. You can close the again. You will go here, check where I'm going now, and this Windows security action needed. So I've opened already. You come here, you check here, you scroll down. Now here, manage settings. This will come. Off this. Yes. Off this. Okay. Now close. Go here and go to your computer. This is the text I'm using. Your programs, that's drive C. Then go to program file. When you go to I'm using 64, so go to your program file. In your program file, you see auto mix. Open now Virtual DJ. This is how it will come. Open the R2. So then copy this. Like this, and run as administrator. It's yes. Press any key. Okay. Now open the keygen. Yes. Here you can type anything, like I will type okay. Close this. Close this. Now let's open. Let's check if the virtual DJ is activated or not. Okay. Okay, let's go licenses. Whoa, name AT best. At AT best now. It's connected. It's Virtual DJ Pro Infinity current license. You can use karaoke, video, everything. So just follow the steps and activate your virtual DJ 2025, 8.5. This 2023 years. So this is how you can get full version of virtual DJ. Now everything works good. Can play video. You can remove. I'll get back and show you how you can use this and remove. When you want to record video, you can remove the virtual DJ logo. Let's, for instance, okay, I'll come for my next episode. But for this one, this is what I'll show you now. Now you have full licenses. Full licenses. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also share. We will meet again in our next episode. How you can remove, you can record video, you can use to stream on Facebook, you can